there, I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to process a credit card transaction using the Point Card Reader and the GoDaddy mobile app. Let's go. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you've charged your Point Card Reader, downloaded the GoDaddy mobile app on your smart device, and connected the card reader to your phone using a Bluetooth connection. You'll also want to make sure that the Point Card Reader is powered on. In the GoDaddy app, select Payments and then select Start Selling. That should bring up the keypad. Enter the amount that you would like to charge and then select the plus button in the bottom right corner of the keypad. Select Checkout. You can make adjustments like adding the quantity, removing item, or even clearing the basket from the checkout screen. If you're in an area where sales tax is needed, you can select the tax link and enter the sales tax percentage. Once you have the sales tax percentage entered, select Done and you'll be brought back to the checkout screen. If everything looks good, select the Charge button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll need to select the payment method. There are three options: card reader, cash, or manual card entry. To accept a credit card payment using the Point Card Reader, select Card Reader. At this point, have your customer insert, tap, or swipe their credit card using the card reader. They'll need to add their signature as well. Your customer can also enter the email address or phone number of where they would like the receipt sent to. Select Done. That's it. You've successfully processed a credit card transaction using the Point Card Reader and the GoDaddy mobile app. I'm Darlene. Thanks for watching.